Hello friends, welcome back. Today we'll analyze the market for 16th December 2025. We'll start with the chart QQQ, and this is the Nasdaq ETF as you are seeing on the screen. We have been in a downtrend for some time, at least for last 4 to 5 days. We are seeing bars setting up lower low for each day, and let's see if this continues to go down or take a pause for some days and continue its downtrend. If it continues downtrend, more likely the levels we can see is around 585, or it may go much lower depending on the market conditions as we progress into the December or close to end of December. So let's look at how other stocks are doing, the major ones that I track. So let's go through the list and try to look at some of the notable ones and see if we are able to find some ideas which meet our setup requirements, be it reversal, be it flag or anticipation setups. So let's look at NVIDIA. It's going down inside bar. If we break yesterday's low, we could see much lower levels coming into the chart for NVIDIA. Apple not looking good. Expect more lower levels coming into the chart, possibly around 265 or below. Microsoft the same. As you can see, last time when we drew the lines on the upper end and the lower end of this band, we have started to cut lower on the lower side of the band. Amazon not looking good, continuation of the downtrend. Google the same. Broadcom not looking good. Tesla is the one which is continuing to break out. I think Tesla has broken out of recent all-time high, so we could see much higher levels coming into Tesla. But if you can find any pullback in this region of 470 and pause for a couple of days or few days, and then it starts to move higher, we can buy into any bullishness once the pause happens here in this area around 470 or so for a quick 4 to 5 day move. So watch out, Tesla is a good candidate to monitor on decent pullback and get into the position. So one good idea for swing trade, Tesla. Meta is just going sideways, and we need to find out if it can continue lower and join the other stocks on the same downtrend. Lilly is showing strength every day, and yesterday it broke out of this inside bar for a quick move of anywhere from 3 to 4%. It was a good trade yesterday, as this is almost a consolidation or a flag kind of a breakout, a small compression breakout. Walmart is breaking out of that this flag pattern or this compression for 4 to 5 days, but it is already extended, so you have to be very careful chasing extended stock. JP Morgan not so much interesting at this time. Berkshire Hathaway is an interesting one. I think if you can get into Berkshire Hathaway within next 2 to 3 days of pause, and once it breaks out of this 507 range after a pause, it will be a good candidate for 4 to 5% move in next few days. Visa is also taking a pause, so look for breakout of this level of 350. So let's draw some line. So we found one Tesla opportunity which could be a potential one. Visa is also a good one. The moment you see a bullish bar here, try to get into the position for Visa for 3 to 4% move and continuation of this bullishness to go on. So let's keep looking at other ideas. Oracle not looking good. Same with Mastercard as we discussed with Visa. And let's see. Netflix not looking good. Palantir is setting up. It's setting up slowly. Look for these levels. If we can come to this level and continue the momentum on the upside. ABV is looking good. As we can see, we should expect here on the downside as continuation of downtrend. We expected yesterday to see a red bar, but to our surprise we saw a bullish green bar. This is telling that there is a reversal happening on the chart. So ABB is definitely a candidate for getting into a position. So far we have found 4 ideas. Let's look for one more idea on the chart. That will give us 5 ideas to trade, and we can pick the best one. Home Depot is also looking good, but not the best, but okay kind of a setup. Let's keep looking. PNG, AMD not looking good, it's still going down. UNH, yeah, UNH could be a good candidate to consider, as it can rest for a day or two here, and the moment it starts to break out of this level, it's a very good candidate. It's mostly a flag setup breakout where this move happened and it paused for 2 to 3 days and then a continuation happens. So up to now we have found 5 ideas. One, we have started with the Tesla, Visa, Mastercard, UNH, and the other one was, I think, the Home Depot. That's all I have for today, and happy trading. Have a good day.